What's up, everybody? So today we're going to be unboxing the Aura LED light strips. It's for TVs, PCs, or homes. We're going to be putting it in the back of this Asus VG279Q monitor. It's a gaming monitor, and it's just pretty much got it at Walmart for $488. I was like 5 something with the tax. And yeah, we're going to be making this gaming setup look a little bit better. And we're already improving a little bit. We took our tortoise out of the way here. He was kind of in the space here, which was making me put my monitor more into the right. And so my wife was actually telling me to get one of these little platforms to just get it up against the wall, and I can put my Xbox on there, so that way I have more space right here to actually make this into a computer. And so yeah, let's get into the unboxing.
Renderforce.com.
Okay, just a quick thing. My daughter woke up because I was talking, and this is how I was recording. I was literally like, I had my phone set up right here, and the shoe was keeping it standing up so that I could get that angle, which is why the video looks a little greenish, if you get that. But anyways, sorry about that. Let's get to the unboxing board. Okay, so let's get back to the unboxing. It's for TVs, PCs, and homes. It's powered by USB, has a 16 color selection, and a remote control to pick the colors and to adjust the brightness, create ambience and unique atmosphere. I'm actually pretty excited about this. My brother-in-law actually has this, and I've seen him set it up, and I thought it looked pretty awesome. He told me he got it at Walmart for $488, like $5, and I was like, you know what, I gotta get it myself. We went to Walmart yesterday. My wife was like, hey, get it for your setup. So, you know, here it is. And all right, let's unbox it. I tried ripping it, as you can see right here. That was me. I didn't get it like that. I didn't even see where the opening was at, so I was trying to cut it this way, and it was bad. You can hear the kid songs. My daughter's eating chips on a little chair over there, watching the cartoons. Alright, little silver bag. Okay, and that's it. Bag's pretty easy to rip open. You don't need a knife or nothing. Alright, and comes with a warning. This product may exceed the power limits of USB ports with a 500 milliamp power draw. Please check the manufacturer of your TV or computer to determine the specification of the USB port available on the device before proceeding to connect this product. Okay, and it comes with a little installation notes, I guess. Locate the USB port on the back of your TV. TV does not have a USB port. You may use any power source. Okay, so you can just connect it to a power brick if you need to. I don't even know if my monitor has a power USB port. I'm pretty sure it does, but if it doesn't, the Xbox has like 2 in the back, so I should be fine. Just a little bit of instructions on how to use the remote control. See below for suggested placement. Cool. It even gives you a little bit of instructions on how you should set it up on your TV. Might actually not show that on the video on how I set it up, just because it's my first time actually getting one of these, and I'm actually kind of nervous on putting it myself. I was telling my wife I kind of wanted her to be here because she normally fixes my stuff for me or tells me how to set it up, and I feel like it comes out better. You just gotta listen. You gotta listen to her. And it comes with a promo code for the most comfortable nuckies. So little pop socket things for your phone. 20% off. That's pretty cool. Anything else? Oh, and then just the connection, how you're going to connect to the USB. Okay, so I'm going to fix my little setup here so I can turn the monitor around. I'm going to turn it off. Unplug it, turn it off, and then I'm going to set it up and see how I do it from there. So I'll turn it back on right now once I fix everything right here. figured out the problem. This side right here says this side up, and I didn't notice that. So when I plugged it in the first time, it did not work. Okay, so it should work this time. Alright. Alright, plug it in one more time. Okay, so I got everything down and plugged in and turned on, but now don't know why the controller's not working. I checked and the battery's in there. Ah, okay. I guess because this I did see on the instructions that it says the receiver is that little end part, so I guess I have to point it at the receiver. Yep, there you go. Let me turn off the light that I have on, the light that I still have on, just so you can get the better feel for it. And I'm gonna move my camera just. Okay, so this is what it looks like from the front side. Again, I have my flash on, so I feel like it's kind of taken away from the color. So I'll record a little bit right now with the flash off. But I think it looks pretty cool. And it was only $4.88, $5 at Walmart. So go ahead, if you guys are interested in this, go ahead and check out your local Walmart. It's probably there. Just go to the electronic side. When I point the controller, I have to point it towards the back so that I can change, because the receiver is in the back. So I guess that's why some people probably set it up a little bit differently, so that they can point the controller towards the receiver as something else. I did see a video from somebody else that I'll probably put their YouTube channel in the description, just because it kind of informed me a little bit. That guy bought a couple of the strips just so you can set it up a little bit better. But I like it. I think it just depends on what color you use, and it actually looks pretty, I think it looks pretty badass. This little. My wife said we were gonna take this wallpaper off. That looked too kiddish now. And my daughter is over here. She's watching TV. She went to the bed right now, but she's just watching TV over there. And her stuff was right here, as you can see, but we moved her stuff. So yeah, we're gonna have to get rid of this stuff right here on the wall, just so we can make it look more like a gamer setup. But yeah, this is it. It was pretty easy to install. This is my first time. I guess it looks okay. I've seen people do better, and I probably could have looked it up, but because I had already started without thinking of looking up how to install it, that's how I got these corners like this. And I don't know if it's gonna do anything in the future, but again, it was just $5. I could just probably take it off and replace it with another one. I think it looks pretty cool. And let me just pause the video real quick so I can take off the flash to see how it looks in the dark. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the dark. And again, I think it looks pretty cool. I don't know if it goes any brighter. And if it does, you probably won't be able to notice in the video. Maybe it goes lower. If I push it. I'm putting the brightness down. And I think, oh, it is getting lighter. It does get lighter. You can't really tell in the video, but it is getting lighter. Put it back all the way up. Don't know how far up it goes. Different colors. I like this. I would definitely recommend it. It's only $5, and if you want your setup to look a little cooler, maybe your son or daughter, they're gamers, and they're looking for something to improve their setup just a little bit more. These LED strips are probably the thing to go. It's probably the way to go. But yeah. So, anyways, that's all for today. Again, thanks for watching. If you want to see more unboxing videos, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any future unboxing videos. Also have a giveaway going on for the Chapter 2 Season 1 battle pass. Only giving it away if I get up to a certain amount of subscribers. If I don't get there, then I probably won't. I'll probably give away something, but just a way smaller than $10 worth of battle pass. But again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks.